It's amazing. As you can see, I never prepare scripts. I never write keynotes. I flow as I go. Even when I give lectures, I give sometimes private lectures for students, models who want to be models, similar passionate designers who want to listen to my story. And I always go unscripted because I tell them this is life. If you think life is scripted, you got another thing coming, you know? So I flow with the place, with the people. I connect with their energy. Sometimes I feel stressed, sometimes I feel worried, but no one is coming to negativity. Everyone wants to hear positivity, wants to hear the half cup that's full, you know. And whatever I do, I always say, if there's one person watching me that woke up because of me, my life is worth